last night as I lay dreaming of pleasant days gone by. Me mind been bent on rambling, to Ireland I did fly. I stepped on board a vision and I followed with the wind. When next I came to anchor at across its Spansel Hill, being on the 23rd of June, the day before the fair, when Ireland's sons and daughters and friends assemble there. The young, the old, the brave and the bold came their duty to fulfill at the parish church at Cluny, a mile from Spansel Hill. I paid a flying visit to my first and only love. She's as white as any lily and gentle as a dove. She threw her arms around me, saying, "Johnny, I love you still." Ah, she's Ned, the farmer's daughter, and the bride of Spansel Hill. I dreamt I held and kissed her as in the days of yore. Oh, Johnny, you're only joking, as many a time before. When the cock he crew in the morning, he crew both loud and shrill. When I woke in California, many miles from Spain.